you look at problem number 5, 4 power x is equal to 5 power y is equal to 20 power z. Find z value. If you look at this problem and compare with the earlier problem we had two information. This problem we have only one information alone given. If you look at the information, bases are numerical base. Look up, bases are numerical. 4 power x numerical, 5 numerical, 20 numerical. Bases are numerical. Previous problem you check, bases are letters. Whenever bases are letters, two information they have to give. Whenever bases are numerical, only one information will be given. Bases are numerical, that's the reason one information given. Now you write. Given. Bases are numericals. Hence, second information not given. Side one line you put if bases or letters then two informations will be given. Always you will look at the problem, bases you will look at, bases are letters to information. Second problem you look at, bases are letters, A power x, A letter, B power y letter. Third problem letter. It contains more than, same manner you have to do. It contains more than 1 is equal to sign.
nadi divide cheyandi.
In the same manner, what we did in the earlier three problems, same manner we are doing. 4 is equal to transfer of power, 5 is equal to 20 is equal to. Only one information given, that you have to take, same manner you do. We want second information not given, then what we have to do? Second information you have to get to. You have to try for second information. Easy. Only one information given means we want another information. Second information is not given. Hence, we have to create. The second information. I will explain this one. How to create second information up to this sentence you write. If you write the up to sentence, we have to create the second information. After that you write or listen carefully. It is very easy. Whenever a problem contains only one information, you have to create another information. How to create another information? Look, among the three numerical 4, 5, 20, you have to take the highest number, 20, highest you have to take. Among the three numbers, highest you have to take 20. You have to express 20 is equal to, in terms of other two numbers you have to write. 20 is equal to 4 into 5, multiplication, not addition. 20 is equal to, in terms of other two numbers you have to write. 20 is equal to, in terms of other number, 4 into 5 or 5 into 4, you have to write. Now you write. Take the highest number 20. Split 20 in terms of other two numbers. Four, 5. 20 is the highest number. Express 20 in terms of other two number. Number will be given suitably. 20 is equal to 4 into 5 we can write. Substitute. You are creating the second information. What is the second information created? 20 is equal to 4 into 5. Here problem, AB is equal to CD. They have created, you are not created, they have created, given. B squared is equal to AC. They themselves created and given, previous earlier problem. This problem you are creating. Whenever numerical bases are given, very easily you can create. Creation technique, highest number you take. Among the three numbers, highest. Split the highest number in terms of other two numbers. Numbers will be given accordingly, they will take care of giving number. You should not put a question. In case if it is not possible, what sir we have to do? Means problem wrong, you have to write. Now you are going to substitute for 24, 5. 20 k power 1 by z. 4 k power 1 by x. Multiplication k power 1 by y. Like a earlier problem we are doing, you are creating. The only difference is, second information you are getting, you are creating and getting. The earlier problem they have given easy. This problem you are creating. Creation is not so difficult. If you know my method, highest number you take, split the highest number into other two number. Then substitute. Single base power. Base against base, double base, base, you have to make single. If we make a left to right single, we can apply inference. Compare left hand side single base, right hand side also single base. Comparison permitted. Earlier step you cannot compare. Earlier step don't write 1 by z is equal to 1 by x. Don't write. Here you cannot compare. Comparison not permitted here because double base k, two bases. Here you can compare single, base single, left, right single. Comparison permitted. What exactly the question is? What is a z value? If you read the question, what is a z value? Here some students what they are doing, z value, invert z, invert x, invert y. So z is equal to x plus y. Wrong. Fundamental weak. Whenever I ask z, what is the value of z means, you should not invert like this, invert. No. When inversion possible? Left hand side only one fraction, right hand side only one fraction, inversion permitted. Suppose if I give 1 by z is equal to 2 by 1 by z is equal to 1 by z is equal to 1 by 10. Invert z is equal to 10. Here inversion allowed. Left hand side single, right hand side single fraction, inversion allowed. Here addition of two fractions. Left hand side single, right hand side two fractions. You cannot invert. You have to make single. You have to make as a single fraction. 1 by z is equal to xy, LCM. Here if you invert you are wrong. Z is equal to x plus y, if you write you are wrong. So I will give one example, look. 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 is equal to half plus half. 1 is equal to half plus half. Invert 1, invert 2, invert 2. 1 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. Sir, I am inverting. Here I am inverting. Here I am inverting, sir. Wrong. This type of inversion not permitted. You are doing means wrongly you are doing. Then inversion permitted means single permitted. Only single. Sir, here double, here also double. No, not allowed. Here two fraction, not allowed. When allowed means single, left to single, right to single, inversion allowed. That is the reason, see, one fraction, two fractions made into single fraction. Left hand side single fraction, right hand side single fraction. You can invert. Now invert.